Sa video na to, ang ating gagawin is magsosolve ng quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Pero bago yun, alamin muna natin ang ibig sabihin ng quadratic equation. Pag sinabing quadratic equation, ito ay isang mathematical equation na nasa form na ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Where yung a at b at c ay constant. Then, yung x ay variable. Tapos, ang pinakamataas na exponent ng x ay 2. Or, ibig sabihin, mayroon siyang degree na 2. So, for example, nakakita kayo ng equation na ganito. 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Yan yung tinatawag ng quadratic equation. Ito yung ating a, yung 3. Yung v natin ay yung 2. At yung c ay yung 1. Okay lang na 0 itong b at saka yung c. Pero hindi pwedeng maging 0 yung coefficient ng x squared. For example, nakita kayo ng equation na 3x squared plus 1 equals 0. Quadratic equation pa rin yan. Pero yung b natin ay 0. For example, ito naman, 3x squared plus 2x equals 0. Quadratic equation pa rin yan. Pero yung ating c ay 0. For example, nakita naman kayo ng equation na 3x raised to 3 plus 5x equals 0. Hindi na yan quadratic equation. Kasi, ang pinakamataas na exponent niya ay 3 or ang degree niya ay 3. So, hindi na siya quadratic equation. Siya ay cubic equation na. Iba pang example ng quadratic equation ay ganito. 2x squared minus 7x plus 5 equals 0. Yan ay example din ng quadratic equation. Okay lang kahit maging negative yung b. Okay lang din kahit maging negative yung c. For example, 4x squared minus 8x minus 7 equals 0. Quadratic equation pa rin yan, kahit parehong negative. Basta ang form ay ax squared plus bx plus c, quadratic equation yan. Okay lang kahit maging negative itong value ng a, b at c. Ang quadratic formula naman ay ganito. X equals negative b plus minus square root ng b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Ito ang tinatawag na quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Ito yung ating pwedeng gamitin para ma-solve yung value ng x sa equation na ganito ang form. For example, gusto nating isolve yung equation na to. Example number 1. Example number 1, find the value of x in 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 equals 0. Ang first na step natin gagawin is kunin natin yung value ng a, b, and c. Yung value ng a dito ay yung coefficient ng x squared, which is 2. Then, yung value ng b ay yung coefficient ng x, which is yung 7. Then, yung c, yung constant term natin, which is yung 5. Then, gamitin na natin yung quadratic formula. Ito yung quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root ng b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Isa-substitute lang natin yung a, b, and c. Negative b, magiging negative 7. Ito yung negative b. Then, kopyahin yung plus and minus. Then, square root ng b squared. Palitan lang yung b ng 7. So, 7 squared minus 4a. Yung a natin ay yung 2. Then, yung c, ang c natin ay yung 5. Divided by 2. 2a. 2a, which yung a is 2. And then, x equals, pag ganito, pwede nyo nang idirekta sa calculator. Pero ngayon, isolve na lang natin ng step by step hanggang makuha natin yung final answer. Negative 7 plus minus 7 squared or 7 times 7 is 49. Minus 4 times 2 times 5, 40. Divided by 2 times 2 is 4. Then x equals negative 7 plus minus square root ng 49 minus 49, then over 4. Then x equals negative 7 plus minus square root ng 9 is 3 divided by 4. So, ito pwede nating hatiin sa dalawa. Paghiwalay na natin. X equals negative 7 plus 3 over 4. Then, yung isa naman is x equals negative 7 minus 3 divided by 4. Makikita nyo, pinaghiwalay ko lang yung plus and minus. Naging negative 7 plus 3 over 4. And x equals negative 7 minus 3 over 4. So, x equals negative 7 plus 3 over 4 is negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. Then, over 4. Then, yung isa naman ay x equals negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10 over 4. Then, continue natin. X equals negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. Then, x equals negative 10 divided by 4 is negative 5 over 2. And that's our final answer. X equals negative 1 and x equals negative 5 over 2.